Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name's Derek and I'm with Eyecantfish. Today's video, we actually have some on the water action. It's been the first decent day where I feel like I caught enough fish where I could put a video together. So I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get right on into it.
All right. That was just a smallie. There we go. Whew, all right. Not too shabby. First fish. Let's let him go. Bye. Alright, not a bad way to start her off. Throw this here, provoke a little bit more. It's a good little ridge line. Oh, there we go. All right. Another chunky little guy. Nothing crazy. Let's get him back. Later, bro. All right. Two on the provoke yellow perch. Seems like, so this is like a ledge that drops off and it's a super hard rocky bottom. So I'm tossing it out in deep and working it up back into shallow, and I think that's when they're kind of ambushing the jerk bait. I'm only sitting in like 3 feet of water at most. A little windy. I feel like that's kind of working to my advantage though. Sweep again. I really want to catch a fish on this thing. Super crystal clear water. I feel it today is going to be a good day. How you guys doing?
Good. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, it is. It, you know, pay to play, you know. Makes life a little easier though. You guys getting anything?
One sunfish.
Yeah? I've got a couple of bass. This rock wall is usually pretty good. What are you using?
I'm just throwing a little tube jig right now.
Oh, nice. So the two that I've caught have been on a jerk bait, if that helps. They're in here. Fray in the line, always check your fluoro. Cut a little decent amount off. Cranking it through rocks and shit. This is a little home lake of mine. Not too far away, it's only like 20-ish minutes or so. All right, let's go over what I'm using. Got a 6 Sense Fishing Luxe Series with a Shimano Corrado MGL 70. Luxe Series is a 6-foot 9-inch medium moderate fast. Throwing a yellow perch provoke. We've got that on 12-pound Sunline FC Sniper. And she gets the job done. These guys are, they be feeding today. Another one on that provoke smoke. Just a little dude, but hey, we'll take it. I've needed a day of fishing like this. We've got some scalage. Another victim falls for the provoke. Go. Not a bad fish. Get him back in the water. Let's keep doing that. Well, the provoke seems to be the ticket today. It's what all fish have been caught on.
thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to make sure to link any of the baits and rods that I use down in the description. And like always, if you do happen to scoop anything up off of the 6th Sense website, make sure you do use code ECF10, which will save you 10% off your entire order. And if you head on over to Waterland, you can use code ECF, and that will save you 15% on any of the sunglasses you see me using. When you do happen to use those codes, make sure you hit me up on Instagram at Eyecantfish and shoot me a DM of your order confirmation with that code being used. And I'll make sure to share it to my stories and tag you guys just to give you a little bit of public recognition for supporting me. I'd like to give a big shout out to y'all for just, stopping in and supporting what we have going on over here. I would also like to thank 6th Sense Fishing and Waterland, because without them, none of what I'm doing over here would even be a thing. So much appreciated to them. And a good way to help continue what's going on and to help progress us into potentially, doing some traveling and everything. A big thing is using these discount codes. Those discount codes greatly help what's going on over here. All right, thank you guys, and until next time, peace.